Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export flashcards from NotebookLM. If you've created a set of flashcards inside your notebook and want to study them on another platform, share them with someone, or simply keep a backup, exporting them is a quick and simple process. To begin, open your browser and search for NotebookLM. From the results, click the official Google NotebookLM page to make sure you're using the correct and up-to-date version of the tool. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account if required. This will take you directly into the Notebook workspace, where all your notebooks are stored. After entering the app, open the notebook that contains the flashcards you want to export. Make sure you select the correct notebook, especially if you're working on multiple projects so you don't download the wrong set of cards. It's always a good habit to double-check the notebook title and the content preview before moving forward. Inside the notebook, navigate to the Flashcards section. This is where NotebookLM organizes all the study cards it generates from your sources. Click on Flashcards to open the full set, then quickly review them to confirm that this is the exact collection you want to export. If you've made edits or updates recently, take a moment to ensure everything is up to date before downloading. Once you've confirmed everything, look for the three-dot menu, usually located near the flashcard set title. Click on it, and you'll see an option labeled Download Set. Select this option, and NotebookLM will automatically package your flashcards into a downloadable file. After the download starts, the file will typically be saved in your computer's default Downloads folder, depending on your browser settings. In some cases, you may be asked to choose a location before saving. For better organization, it's a good idea to rename the file immediately after downloading, so you can easily find it later. You might also want to create a dedicated folder like study materials or flashcards to keep everything organized in one place. If you don't see the download option, try refreshing the page or checking whether you are in the correct flashcard view. Sometimes the option only appears when a full flashcard set is selected. Also, make sure you are signed in properly, as guest sessions may have limited functionality. Another useful tip is to back up your downloaded flashcards to a cloud storage service like Google Drive. This ensures you won't lose your study material if your computer is reset or files are accidentally deleted. You can also share the file with classmates or friends if you're studying together, making collaboration much easier. And that's it. You've successfully exported your flashcards from NotebookLM. You can now use them for offline study, import them into other learning apps, share them with others, or keep them as a secure backup for your learning system. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.